Hello, hello. West Dorset calling again. Um, Weather's been atrociously hot the last few days. It was 106 in the greenhouse yesterday, so I had to take some of the glass out, but it has actually prompted me to do little bits and pieces in the evening. It sort of works better for me, temperature's better, we're in the shade here now, and what I'm going to do this evening is I'm going to dig up these potatoes. So for the first time in 5 years, I've decided against using 30 litre tubs, and I've gone back to the old-fashioned way of putting them in an 8x4 raised bed. Excuse me. Now, I've only grown one sort this year as well, Laura. I like Laura, they cook well, they do everything that I need to, and usually they produce a good crop. So as you can see, they're starting to yellow, they're starting to go over, so now's the time to get them out. So we'll see what we can find. There's the initial cleanup. That's all the home's gone, and I can see that I've already got a problem. I forgot to mulch them, so there's a lot of green potatoes on the top, so hopefully not too many. We'll see what we can find, and I'm going to use my hands to find them. The compost in here is nice and loose, or it normally is. We'll find out as we go. See what we can get out now. Well, that took longer than I thought. Not too bad a haul, nearly a full wheelbarrow full off of an 8x4 plot. So that'll actually, because we don't eat that many potatoes, that'll get us right through into early part of next year, I expect. We'll see. If not, not to worry. So there you go. One potato reveal 2024. Won't be another one. Oh yes, there will. I've got a couple of buckets. So there you go. Keep on gardening.